Hey everyone, have you ever heard of magnetic nose strips? They're a new trend in the world of breathing aids, and today, I'm diving in to see if they actually work. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more cool reviews and insights. So, what are magnetic nose strips? Essentially, these strips are designed to help you breathe more easily by opening up your nasal passages. They work using small magnets placed on either side of your nose. The idea is that these magnets gently pull your nasal passages apart, allowing more air to flow through. Now let's talk about the intake breathing nasal strip starter kit. This kit comes with a set of magnetic nose strips that you can easily apply to your nose. The process is pretty straightforward. Just place the strips on either side of your nostrils and you're good to go. But the real question is, do they actually work? I did some research and tried them out myself to give you the lowdown. First off, I have to say, the application process is super easy. The strips are comfortable to wear and they don't feel intrusive at all. When it comes to effectiveness, I noticed a difference right away. My nasal passages felt more open and I could definitely breathe more easily, especially during physical activities like jogging or working out. This could be a game changer for people who suffer from nasal congestion or who snore at night. However, it's important to note that these strips might not be a one-size-fits-all solution. Some people may find them more effective than others, depending on the shape and size of their nasal passages. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional to see if this product is right for you. So in conclusion, do magnetic nose strips actually work? Based on my experience and research, I'd say yes, they can be effective for many people. The Intake Breathing Nasal Strip Starter Kit is a convenient and comfortable option to try out if you're looking to improve your breathing. Thanks for watching. Did you know? Nasal strips can be effective for improving breathing, particularly for those experiencing temporary nasal congestion or snoring, by widening the nasal passages and improving airflow. And as always, leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experiences with magnetic nose strips or any other breathing aids you've tried. Check out our next video.